Welcome to your own slice of rural paradise in Hilham, Tennessee. 16.5 acres of untamed beauty and endless potential. Tucked away in the quiet, rolling hills of Overton County, this peaceful property offers the perfect setting for those seeking solitude, fresh air, and freedom to build the life they've always imagined. Whether you're a homesteader, investor, or someone looking to escape the noise of the city, this land speaks to the soul. At the heart of the property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home built in 1976. It sits quietly among the trees, showing signs of time and wear, its structure a bit rough around the edges, its walls echoing stories of simpler days. Yes, it needs repairs, it needs love, but it also holds potential, a chance to renovate, to rebuild, or even to replace it entirely, with a custom retreat that suits your dreams. Maybe you see a cozy farmhouse surrounded by gardens. Maybe you imagine a weekend hunting cabin. Or perhaps you're looking for the perfect place to bring in a new modular or double-wide, perched on a hilltop with mountain views. Whatever your vision, this land gives you room to create it. The acreage is truly the star. Spanning 16.5 acres, it offers a mix of woods, open areas, and rolling terrain. Nature lovers will appreciate the quiet, the deer trails, the chirping of birds, and the gentle breeze through the trees. It's the kind of place where time slows down, where you can reconnect with yourself and the land. Bring your ATV, start a garden, raise animals, go off-grid. This land can be anything you want it to be. For outdoor enthusiasts, it's a perfect base camp. For peace seekers, it's a blank slate to write your story. Please note, this home is being sold as is, and buyers should be prepared for renovations or removal of the current structure. It will require work, but for those with vision and determination, the reward is a truly one-of-a-kind property in a beautiful corner of Tennessee. This is a Bank of America-owned property, and with it comes some important guidelines. A 3-day first look period applies. The seller will not review or negotiate offers until the period ends. Blind offers and escalation clauses are not accepted. For cash offers, the required earnest money deposit, EMD, is 10% of the offer or $1,000 minimum, whichever is greater. For financed offers, the EMD must be 1% of the offer or $1,000 minimum, again, whichever is greater. Buyers must verify all property information to make an informed decision. The home may not be move-in ready, but this opportunity is about more than just a structure. It's about land, location, and the freedom to shape your future. Whether you're dreaming of a weekend escape, a full-time homestead, or a long-term investment in Tennessee land, this property is priced to move and filled with promise. Don't wait. Opportunities like this are rare. Contact us today to walk the land, feel the peace, and see what your future could look like here in Hilham.